Hi, friends. Listen up, because today is the day everything changes. Today, you're going to unlock the power within you to transform your thoughts and your life. And trust me, once you do this, once you realize just how powerful your thoughts are, you'll never look at the world the same way again. Now, let me ask you something. How often do you think about your thoughts? I'm talking about the ones that run through your mind every single day. The ones that tell you what you can and can't do, what you deserve, and what you're capable of. Because here's the thing, your thoughts, they're everything. Your thoughts are the foundation of the life you're living right now. Imagine your mind is like a beautiful, sparkling dream house. Every thought is like a new piece of furniture you're adding. So, what are you putting in there? Is it a comfy couch of self-doubt? A kitchen full of negative beliefs? Or are you filling it with vibrant, positive, empowering thoughts? Because that's the choice you have. Right now, at this very moment, you hold the power to redecorate your mind, to toss out all the outdated furniture, those old limiting beliefs, and replace them with brand new, shiny ideas. Because your thoughts are your reality. And when you choose to think like the queen you are, your life will reflect that. I want you to visualize something. Think about Barbie's dream car. It's sleek, shiny, and full of potential. And guess what? That's your mind. Your thoughts are the fuel in the engine. If you put negativity in there, the car won't go anywhere. But if you fill it with positivity, ambition, and confidence, you'll zoom down the road to success faster than you ever thought possible. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to fuel your mind with positivity, with thoughts of self-belief, with a mindset that will carry you to the top. No more playing small. No more second-guessing yourself. It's time to be the woman you were always meant to be. Let me tell you something. The moment you change your thoughts, you change your life. When you stop telling yourself I can't and start saying I can, everything shifts. The energy around you shifts. Opportunities start to flow in. People start to take notice. Why? Because your thoughts are like magnets. They attract what you focus on. So the question is, what are you focusing on? Are you focusing on your dreams, your potential, and your power? Or are you focusing on the obstacles, the reasons why it won't work? Trust me, the obstacles will always be there. The question is, will you let them define you? Or will you choose to rise above them? Right now, you have the power to change your thought patterns. Every time you think a negative thought, flip it. Flip it into something positive. Instead of thinking, I'm not good enough, think I am more than enough. Instead of thinking, I can't do this, think I can do anything I set my mind to. This is how you rewire your brain. This is how you take control. You see, positive thinking isn't just some fluffy, feel-good concept. It's a strategy. It's the tool that will propel you forward when the world tries to hold you back. And you're not just some regular woman, you are Barbie. And Barbie doesn't settle. Barbie doesn't let anything get in her way. So why should you? I want you to start looking at your thoughts as your personal compass. Every thought you have either guides you toward your goals or pulls you further away from them. So why not make every thought work for you? Why not make every thought a step toward greatness? But here's the catch. It takes practice. Just like anything else worth having, changing your mindset requires effort. It's like building a dream house from the ground up. You don't get the gorgeous home without laying the foundation first. So, every day, lay down a new brick of positive thinking. One brick at a time. You might not see it right away, but over time, those small, positive thoughts will build a fortress of confidence and strength. And that fortress, it will protect you from anything that tries to knock you down. Nothing can stop you when you've built your mental fortress. Now let's talk about the power of affirmations. Barbie doesn't just sit around waiting for things to happen. Barbie creates her own reality. And one of the ways she does that is by speaking life into her dreams. When you wake up every morning, I want you to stand in front of the mirror and repeat after me. I am powerful. I am capable. I am unstoppable. You don't have to wait for someone else to tell you you're amazing. You tell yourself, every day, every single day, You remind yourself of your worth, your potential, and your brilliance. And don't just say it like it's a mantra. Say it like you mean it. Say it like you know it. Your mind is like a garden. If you plant seeds of doubt, you'll grow weeds. But if you plant seeds of confidence, belief, and positivity, you'll grow flowers. Beautiful, vibrant, flourishing flowers that will bloom into the life you've always dreamed of. So today, make the choice. The choice to think differently. The choice to transform your mindset into one that attracts success, joy, and love. Because when you change the way you think, you change the way you live. Barbie doesn't wait for the stars to align. She makes her own destiny. She doesn't ask for permission. She takes what's hers. So what's stopping you from doing the same? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. And here's the thing, your thoughts create your reality. If you think you're destined for greatness, guess what? You are. If you think you're meant for more, guess what? You are. But if you keep thinking small, if you keep doubting yourself, that's exactly what you'll get: small, limited results. It's time to break free. It's time to stop holding yourself back with negative thinking. Every thought you have either brings you closer to your dreams or takes you further away. So why not make every thought count? Why not fill your mind with thoughts of possibility, of success, of empowerment? The world is waiting for you to step into your power. But first, you have to believe it. First, you have to believe in yourself and in the power of your thoughts. Because once you do that, once you truly believe that you are capable of greatness, there is nothing that can stop you. The first step is simple. Start by thinking positively. Start by changing one thought at a time. Start by shifting your mindset to one of abundance, possibility, and confidence. And watch how quickly everything in your life starts to transform. You have the power to create the life you want. You have the power to shape your reality with your thoughts. And once you realize that, my friend, you become unstoppable. So let's go out there and make it happen. Let's fill our minds with positive thoughts. And let those thoughts guide us toward the life we deserve. Because yes, you are destined for greatness. And don't you ever forget it. Now go out there and create the life you've always dreamed of. Because your thoughts, they are the secret to everything. And with your mind in the right place, there's nothing you can't achieve. Let's go make it happen. You've got this. I believe in you.